do a little bit of everything. You know, he may not be the most powerful guy or be the best player, but he's very good at every facet of the game. You know, not many players, even at the big league level, can say that. Hard to believe
Where?
Did you find them?
Where is?
way back when.
You found one!
Where is?
Briefly.
Where? Where is this?
One to the Lowry, now 2 balls, 2 strikes.
What's under here?
Jed Lowry.
Yeah.
1-for-1 with a walk today.
Another one.
Yeah.
This season.
Are there any near the TV?
Huh? There he is.
Lowry down on strikes, now 2 away. Second strikeout for Saunders, time for a direct game break.
There's still a couple more. Do you see any?
There.
There's one.
The Cardinals lead over the Astros is now 6-0.
Do you see any more?
Yeah. There it is.
Amazing that
On the chair.
amazing
Oh.
that there isn't grand slam, but it's who he hit on. That wasn't some middle reliever, some guy that just called
There
it.
it is. Where?
The place where he hid them. What about near your garage?
They're attacking.
Look around.
Field wide, round first, headed for second.
And what about your secret hiding spot? What about your secret hiding spot where you usually stand? Do you see any in there?
No. I'm not shoot him.
Let me see.
I can see in here.
The pitch out over the plate, Veritek
There
puts
it
it down
is.
the left field line.
I think you found them all. Do you want to count them?
Okay. 1, 2,
Great coming today, only had
there.
2 home runs,
3.
And put them in here?
but he's been swinging
No,
the bat,
here and hard.
hitting the ball hard
Okay.
each and every at-bat.
Got
Oh,
cut.
careful. That one got cracked. Yeah. Let's see if we found them all.
There are 2 outs. Veritek
What happened?
on second.
What happened? What happened, Mom?
Oh, you found them all. Hooray! Look. Do you want to do another Easter egg hunt?
Okay.
Do you want to hide them or do you want to find them?
Find them.
Okay.
Right-handed hitter on deck.
Okay. Ready? Go hide them.